Now, we could have cubics like this, and this is where the polynomial equality stuff comes in. So I'm telling you what one of the solutions is, and I'm also have that equation here. Let's give this polynomial the name p of x, just there. Okay, so if p of x has a factor of 2, well, that means p of x is going to look like x take 2 times something. And that other something is going to be quadratic. Let's call ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so that's sort of what p of x looks like, because if you think about it, degree 1 polynomial, like that thing, times a degree 2 would give you a degree 3. So this is kind of just what we've got. Now what we're going to do next is expand this out and see what we get. So we're going to get ax cubed plus bx squared, and that's just coming from that with that, plus cx. So that's the top one's done. And then with the bottom ones, I'm going to get take 2ax squared, take 2bx, take 2c, just like that. So it's kind of like a FOIL, but a bit more to it. All right, so let's collect our like terms, ax cubed, and what x squareds do I have? I think it's b take 2a, x squared, and let's think about our x's, c take 2b, and then we're going to take off 2c at the end. That's great. So now what we need to do is we need to line it up with our original polynomial. So our original polynomial was 2x cubed plus, well, it was take 38x plus 60, just like that. And there's no x squared term, that's why I've left a big gap there. So we can probably read off what some of our solutions are here. A equals 2 from that first bit. And here, if minus 2c equals 60, that tells us that c has to be minus 30. All right, now to get the other one, we can read off maybe this bit here. B take 2a is supposed to equal nothing. So that's b take 2 times 2 should be nothing because a was 2. So b would be 4. Now let's check that it works here. C take 2b was supposed to give you minus 38. So if I work through that, minus 30 take 2b should have given me minus 38. Therefore, minus 2b equals minus 8. So yeah, b equals 4 from that as well. You have to make sure that it works for both, otherwise you got sort of a mistake in here somewhere. So if a equals 2, c equals minus 30, and b equals 4, we can factorize out our polynomial like this. So it starts off with x take 2, and then I'm going to take this stuff up here and I'm going to sub in a, b, and c. So that's 2x squared plus 4x take 30. Okay, now all you need to do is factorize this as per normal. So I could start by pulling out a 2 from this bit, and I'm going to be left with x squared plus 2x take 15, which is really good. And then I could use sum and product on here. So, well, what two numbers would times to give me minus 15, and they would add to give me 2? I reckon I can think of those two numbers. I reckon they are positive 5 and negative 3. I reckon those two would work. So our solutions to 0 equals this are going to be x equals 2 from that first bit, x equals minus 5 from that second bit, and x equals positive 3 from that third bit. Done. And if you graph that polynomial, you would see those are your 3 x-intercepts as well.